how to edit and change your email address on HubSpot easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit and change your email address. First open your browser and then once you're here click settings and then click security, and here we'll find email address. Now just if you want to change it, just remove it and then type an email address you want. Click edit email address and that's it. You type an email address and like this one, wait, and now click save, and that's it, what you need to confirm your email. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.